Hello students. In this lecture, we are going to discuss that how you can attempt your test on OAS, that is Online Assessment System of Lovely Professional University. Many of the tests conducted on this platform. So this video is only for those students who didn't know how to attend the test on OAS. So let us start. The first thing is that we have to write the link in our browser, which is oas.lpu.in. You just write this link in your browser and then click enter. You can say this page will open. Online assessment system of Lovely Professional University. Here in the first box, you should write your registration number. You should write your registration number, and the second one is your password. Which password? The password same as your UMS password. The password that you are having as your UMS password, you can use over here. After filling these credentials, click on login button. Once you click on login button, you will see this page will open. Here, there are many options like home, question poll, test design, attempt, feedback, result, report. In order to attempt a test, you need to click on attempt test. Just click on attempt test. Then what will happen? All the tests of the day will be visible to you. Like the first one is practice test, then aptitude test, placement and all. You can drag down from this button. Now you need to choose which test, the name given by your concerned faculty. Whatever test name given by concerned faculty, just see from here, select that and click on continue. Remember, it's not you can click on any of the test. You have to click on the test name which is provided by your concerned faculty. Once you click on continue, this page will open. It will tell you the name, test name, number of questions, time and negative marking. If there is no negative marking, it will be NA, and if it is negative marking, it will be mentioned over here. Like if it is written 25%, so it means 1/4 marking is there. For 1 marks question, 0.25 is the deduction, and for 2 marks question, 0.50 marks will be deducted. Just click on this tick, like I have gone through the instruction, and then you can click on start test. Before that, there are 3 or 4 things you must know. This button is known as next button. If you click on next, you will move to the next question. If you click on previous, move to the previous question. If you flag a question, what I mean by flag a question, that if you want to revisit the question again, click on flag, you can respond later. Means at last or any point of time during the test, you can revisit the question. And last is end test. Most important, once you have completed the test, then you should click on end test. Otherwise, if in mid of the test, you clicked on end test, your test will be submitted, or we can say test will be ended. Now you cannot attend the test again. So very careful, end test only in the case when your test is completed. Now I am going to just click on start test. This will happen. Like here you can see the questions, and then on this side there are options. Why this warning is showing? Like if you open your test in one tab, and if you want to minimize it and searching something else in some other tabs, this system will give you the warning. And after a specific number of warning, your test will automatically closed. So I suggest you, when your test is started, do not minimize it. Do not open new tabs in your system. simply focus on this tab of OAS. Now here on the bottom, these are the buttons of next question, previous question. Moreover, directly by clicking on question number, you can move to that particular question also. Like this test is having 10 questions. So you can see 10 question over here. If some faculty make 2 section, so this list will be section wise. Section A, number of question. Section B, number of question. Another important point, you can see the time over here. Whatever time allotted to you, you can see here, and this will show you that how much time left for the test to complete the test. Once you visited all the questions, attend test completely, then simply click on end test. Your test will be submitted finally. Your test will be submitted finally. So this is how you can attend a test on OAS of University, LPU, Lovely Professional University. Thank you.